ngibingelele umbukelwe asikhulume online asikhulume sport online igama ngilambona kwangcobo namhlanje futhi sibuye siphinde futhi sibuke ama games asedlalele during the week aphinde futhi nazo qhamuka over the weekend namhlanje futhi sibheke no Sethu kwamanda ukuthi ama games adlale kanjani from Tuesday, Wednesday, today, Thursday, upcoming weekend, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. Command awubingelele futhi ababukele emakhaya.
Ngibingelela ababukeli besikhulume sports.
Mfowethu senzekile manga on Tuesday. Yadlala Real Madrid neDortmund. Igame ebibheke kakhulu. I think umhlaba wakho uyibhekile because it was a big game and I think besebehlangana futhi okwesibili within 6 months. Because bake badlala futhi before futhi kuyo i-wave. Ubona kanjani i-performance ye-bench especially Real Madrid?
Manje isijenisile ukuthi ikhapya nawe. Shouldn't again when it comes to big stage, that was perform. They did very well. I threw them out, they got my chair. Then the post for and I said, yes,
but 20 the first half.
20 the first half, they came back, guns blazing. 5 goals. What a game.
Okusho ukuthi Santiago Bernabeu kunzima ukuya lapha.
Hayi, kuyibomba. Akuyibomba.
Sporting sawina naso 2-0. But PSG photo bani.
Yo, PSG was a letdown on the day. VAR evaporated apart because there was a penalty given. I think it was the 89 to 88 minutes. And then the VAR ruled it out. Everybody I'm sure at that time was thinking, wow,
but kwangenze
azangisenze
yenza phoma nje Juventus noma sothi yabulawa red card.
Anazi mlabo Juventus, I was scared of them from the beginning. Kala ngoma game on the day kasi no abafana nje. They were just not there moving on the day and approval of better about what's happening there.
Nathi Monaco yaba crash this best.
That was to be expected. I mean, this West is a big team. They've been doing well against big teams. That's the match. Purely Champions League in the Conference League in Europe and previous years. But Monaco's Champions League, they will be the side. So big ups to them. They did very well.
English Giants, Aston Villa. Now it's a
yes. Look at the end of the game. I thought it was going to be tough, and I mean, yeah, it was tough. But Aston Villa played well. I give the manager props. He's very good in these kind of situations. He's showed us on numerous occasions we Europa. How many times has he won it? He knows how to play these things. So I was rooting for Aston Villa to win the game, and they did very well. They didn't disappoint.
Asibuke i-performance yezakho i-Arsenal.
Well,
yes, they won the game 1-0, but are they promising ukuthi
we're looking disjointed. Without our captain, things are not going well. We're missing our captain. We're missing Saka lately as well on the right hand side. It's showing. I thought Sterling was doing well at the beginning of the game. I don't know why he was sacrificed, but I thought Sterling was the one who was doing better in the team. But we don't look like the team to go for the league this season, unfortunately. We've got a big game coming this weekend. If we play like we did on Tuesday, we're not going to get a good result.
But let us move to Wednesday. Now Man City crashed Sparta Prague.
We went to Man City. There was Man City being Man City.
So before see, let me put it this way. Man City, Pinda futhi siyibone ihlangana neReal Madrid.
Possible.
Noma kuse
I mean, it's still early, as at the moment, we don't even know how this new league works. So we're not sure how it's going to go, but it's very possible to find them in the final. They're looking like the strong sides this season. Not really about Barcelona, of course. They seem to have been finding their feet lately. So at the moment, my money is between Real Madrid and
Manchester City.
Yes.
All right. But Leverkusen, and yona team engathi enye ama-team abhekwe kakhulu, especially kwi-UEFA, because I think bayafika. Singasho bayafika ngoba bebeperforma kahle from last season. But now they played a one-on draw, but they play away.
Yes. Look, Leverkusen, it would be criminal of us to expect a lot out of them.
From them, yes.
Like you said, they are newcomers. They're doing well, yes. They've done well previously in the previous year, and we're expecting them to continue their form. But unfortunately, I see more low form this season. Yes, they're still winning games. They're still a top side. They're still a team to put your money on. But are they the exact same team that we saw last season? I don't think so. Something is missing there, somewhere, somehow. Something is missing. But especially the Champions League, they're still doing well. In the Champions League, I think they also have the potential to do well, but I wouldn't say to win it, but to go very far in the competition.
Nanti ilili crash at Atletico Madrid.
I don't know whether they did absolutely well or Atletico Madrid has lost its touch. But something's going on there with Atletico this season. Look, the beginning of this season has not been the same as we're used to. Usually teams come out blazing, but this season we're seeing something different. But it's too early, it's still early. Let's see as time goes on how things change.
Barcelona, Bayern Munich, of which that was one of the biggest games. I can compare Barcelona game to Real Madrid and Dortmund. But the way Barcelona performed, how could you rate them?
Look, there's vendetta there from Barcelona.
Yeah.
See, Bayern Munich has been, over the past couple of years, if you remember, when Messi was still there, I think it was the year 2000, Bayern Munich hammered them 8-2. They are still bleeding from that game. And then after that, if you look at the games after that, they were still beating them. Barcelona hasn't beaten Bayern Munich since that game. And they've met a couple of times.
Right.
So yesterday, they showed
it
was a revenge game. They showed who they are. They showed that they still have the giant, they still have other giants, and they still have what it takes to compete in these circumstances. And they did very well.
So that for one was not enough for Barcelona fans.
I don't think so. They maybe wanted more.
And the Leipzig Liverpool, of which I think many people were expecting so much from the English giants.
Yes, I was expecting a lot myself. I was expecting more than one goal, definitely.
Yeah.
I thought Liverpool were just going to run with it from the tempo. They scored one goal, as in earlier, I thought, right, there's still a hell of a lot more to come. And they huffed and puffed and nothing came. Leipzig came close. I think they had a goal denied in that game, at the end of the game. Fortunately for Liverpool, the goal was disallowed. So, I mean, it's a good win. We take a win in any way, shape or form. But it wasn't as easy going as we all expected it to be.
Yeah. When I made a win Inter Milan, yes, they won the game, but still, also 1-0.
You know,
especially from young boys, because many games, especially from the UEFA side, we need to compare as well the league.
Yes, definitely.
The leagues, because Switzerland league.
It's a Switzerland league. Young boys are not even doing well at the moment in that league.
Yes,
we expected. Personally, I expected a hell of a lot more from Inter Milan. I was disappointed. They scored in the 10 minutes of the game. They limited the showcase with Bashir. I don't know what happened to them.
Suspects them Dynamos Zagreb.
I expected a hell of a run from Salzburg. I'm not going to lie to you. I expected Salzburg, to at least get a draw out of that game. I was disappointed. I mean, both of them, I'm not going to say I support those teams, but they are teams that I look to when I look at their respective leagues. But I thought Salzburg was going to come out better in this game.
Maybe Umyangati, Klabi Salzburg, Sugia Shesha to the red card.
Yes.
Because in most cases, the red cards, they also have a big impact, especially in Marazans.
They were huge impact. So yeah, it's very possible because of the red card. You can't take that away from them. But if you look at the ball position and how the game was, I think they were not really 100% they improved from the beginning. But yeah, the red card impacted the game. If there was a second leg, I wouldn't bet for Dynamo Zagreb just because they beat them this time. There was a red card, so you have to consider that. Yeah.
Did you expect the Atalanta and the Sethu to play goalless draw?
No, never.
Nil.
No. I expected first of all Atalanta to win that game.
Right.
I expected Celtic to score in that game. Celtic first scoring team. They score on a rainy day, Saturday, or any given day of the week. They will score for you. I was disappointed not to see them score yesterday. I was disappointed in the performance of Atalanta. I expected a very lot more from them. At the beginning of this Champions League, they held Arsenal down and they almost beat them, to be honest. I think Arsenal was lucky to survive that game, to come out that draw. But it is what it is.
Before we come to this one, for sure, Amapanda are following Asikhulume online, especially on Facebook. They've seen the stories. Code. No lucky so far?
The last 2 days have been one team out, but that's not a win.